Coach Garrett. Tell him what's going on.
Get back, relax. Hey now. Hand off the throttle.
Pulling up to the battlefield. Captain G took the battle wagon out here. I come out, try to get some flounder, sea bass, hopefully see some cobia or some other activity out here. In a perfect world, we're gonna limit out and then jump in and do some spearfishing and stuff. I don't know what this feels like.
Just keep it tight too, or reel it. I found that they like to pop off.
All right.
Net.
Yep, net man.
Rubber net.
Where's it here?
Sorry, I'm snagged up. Just keep tension on that hook in his mouth thing by like moving them around. You know, just keep them moving.
Yeah.
They like to shake.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a good one.
Where's my net man?
That's a good one. You're good. No, you're good. Daddy.
All right.
He's shaking. He's shaking. Give me the net. Give me the net.
Let's go.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
That's a slab.
Yeah, just bleed them out, throw them in the bucket.
You got the you got the tape up here, G?
You don't need to tape that one.
I know, I just want to. Oh no! Right, he's going down. Yeah, let's get him down. Oh, he's shaking.
That's a fish right there, son.
Pick one, man. You want it in the boat? You want that boat? All right, light.
Light, fly. Good man.
Coming straight to you.
Real, I got him.
Nice.
Woo!
Go, brother.
Yeah, this is a little boat. That's fine.
Ooh.
Good?
Oh yeah, get the net. Get the net.
Just slowly. Hey, now keep on adding. Oh, that's it. We'll get it.
Oh yeah. See color.
Sorry, that's like strictly my job.
Where's net team?
Got it. Net team 6.
Oh yeah. Coming at you.
Yeah. Here.
Coming at you live. Let's go. All right. Yeah.
Save my day.
Thank you.
Louder.
Get him, G. Dude, we are on. Let's go.
Oh, dude. Boys, this looks like a stud. Looks like a stud. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Bring him in.
Let's go, G.
Sir, dude.
Good work, boys. I should take forever to turn.
Hey, you got that?
Color.
I got it.
It's the flounder. Ah, little bird. And he's on a tank.
Net.
Oh, you want big net? I got the big net up here. Chill, son.
Double sea bass has to be, or a stud of a sea bass. What's the biggest flounder?
Uh-oh. Color.
It's fan flat. Oh my god. Did it in the boat. Get here. Turn.
Oh, wow.
Turn.
Let's go.
Oh my god.
Let's go. Let's go.
So is the net on?
The big net's here if you need it.
Hey, I'm coming right to you, buddy.
Oh, nice. Stud. I'm either on a double or something nice. Or I just don't know this rod well. Color.
Hell yeah, dude. That guy's pissed. He just watched this catch him.
Bass.
Oh, Jumbo bass. That one's gonna make it.
That'll do.
Alright, I'm trying to figure out how to just feel your inner flounders.
Flounder is swimming that way.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yo, that's a lot of grit.
Holy sh- Holy
Oh my god!
holy
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yes!
Alright, over here. God damn. Dude.
I think.
Who are you on to?
Yeah, I just hooked one. No, Vinny has a good one. We're good.
How many nets you got?
Don't freak out. Get it together.
Alright, we gotta do one by one.
Alright, I'll reel mine.
I'll keep mine.
Dude, just get her up. We gotta get Vinny on. We definitely have
he's
to land
playing.
Vinny's.
Yeah. I'll bring him
Alright, net boy.
Get in there, get in there.
Oh,
Hold! Got her in the net!
let's go, dude. Holy.
Y'all want that fun?
Thank you. Alright, pick us up after school, Dad. You get one? Are there more down there, G? Are there more down there? Got one. We'll get the other side of the boat. Shit, G.
Oh my god, man!
Yo, try not to. Hey, is your camera going? Alright.
Let me get one.
Open the box.
There you go.
Grab it from the spear hole.
Yeah, right?
There he goes. Boys doubled up. Oh, little bass.
Fat sea bass.
Nice. Boys are doubled up. Let's race. Let's race. Let's race. I got something heavy, I think. Hold on. Uh-oh. Daddy got a big bird on?
Daddy got a big boy.
Woo!
Oh, come.
Oh,
Nice one.
oh.
Now make the cut.